I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail World YouTube, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We headed to the first appointment right now. Headed out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. I think the first car is a Porsche Macan, and I'm not sure what the other car is. I think they got a brand new car. And then I got one more house call after that. Don't know what kind of car it is neither, because it'll probably be my second or third time doing that car, so I don't really remember. And then my neighbor, he still wants his car done, which we haven't been able to get to this week. But we probably about a good 15, 20 minutes from our stop. So it's a little ride. It's a little ride, you know what I mean? A little time to get there, but like I said, we en route. We'll be there soon. Their car is really never that dirty, so it's gonna be a quick clean. It's really the exterior on these cars that's really the dirtiest. But other than that, it's gonna be a glorious day. Today's high supposed to be like 70 degrees, so crazy bananas. But I'm hoping you're having a great day. Continue to be great, man. Do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button today, not tomorrow. Or hit it yesterday. You know, go back and watch the video from yesterday and hit it from yesterday's video. But y'all already know. Continue to be great. I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. I hope you're having a glorious day so far, man. Right now, we done made it to this first appointment. We're running late. We supposed to be at about 9:30. It's probably already 11 o'clock, but you know, I was watching my grandbaby last night, so you already know. But we finna do this Porsche Macan. If you see it, it is dirty. Like I said, if you look at it, look like it rained dirt. Remember I was saying it the last few days, so that's kind of odd. But get the wheels right here, man. Whoa. Heavy brake dust. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we get this wheel clean real good. Get all this dirt outside this wheel. You know what I mean? Get all the dirt and grime off the side of the car, things like this. But we're gonna go ahead and work on the exterior first, and then after we work on the exterior, we're gonna go ahead and hop in here in this interior. And if you see it, it's a little dirty in here too. Got your typical debris, your sticks, twigs, things like that. So we're gonna make sure we get in here and do our job correctly and efficiently. You wipe down these pedals, wipe down this footrest, things like that. And remember, you always gotta move these seats. You seen that? Couldn't see it right. Peekaboo, I see you. But y'all already know, man, we're gonna go ahead and wipe down the steering wheel, wipe down the console, get over here, wipe down. You see how the dirt hiding all in there, into these cup holders, things of that. Even get here in the back, same thing. Vacuum the floors, wipe down the seats. You know, it got this suede, I believe. And then you see it got the leather, and then also getting the back. So we got a little task here. We got two cars here. We're gonna knock this car off first. We already got the mats out, got the vacuum and other things ready, but we're finna go ahead and do what we gotta do. I hope you do what you gotta do. So remember, be consistent is the key, man. And just doing what you have to do is very, very valuable to yourself. Don't let nobody else take your time. Use your time for you. And on that next one, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, what it do. We got this first car done of the day, and these walls out here flying around like crazy. But you see the exterior of the car looks immaculate. We got the car looking good. You remember those wheels? Definitely had a brown look. Rims was dirty, so, but you got the interior of the car looking well too. So gave a good cleaning in and out. Definitely gonna be enthused with the work. So I'm gonna let them know I'm done, pull up the next car, get it done. I still got one more car to go. But you see these wasps, man, they everywhere like crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my job. Like I say, park this car, get the next one, because it's starting to heat up. Supposed to high today, 70 something. I wanna get out here and enjoy the day with the kids. So y'all already see it, man. Car look immaculate. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, we finally got it done, man. We got this Audi car completely done. It was just a basic cleaning. We didn't do, you know, well, it's a little bit more than basic cleaning because it's a little dirty, haven't been done in a while. But this is an Audi Q5. Interior was